I'm never gonna take an.
Just finished packing all these orders, playing some unreleased Playboy Cardi. These Playboy Cardi leaks have you feeling like. But anyways, let's get back here to the work table and go over this project with you guys. So we have these Air Force 1s right here, and basically, I'm pretty sure you guys seen these butterfly shoes. If you type in butterfly Air Force 1s on Google, you're gonna get a bunch of images of just a bunch of people just throwing butterflies on the shoes. Cause I mean, butterflies on shoes, not that really hard to think of. Yeah. Let me tell you guys, August 12, 2018, I wanted to do a Travis Scott butterfly effect Air Force 1s. I'll throw screenshots right here. As you guys can see, August 12, 2018. Just so you guys don't say I'm copying anybody or hopping on trends. I've been meaning to do this custom for so long, I just never had the time. And I didn't want to do another very detailed project where I had to hand paint every single butterfly and then do like 100 orders of those. But we found an alternative and check it out. So with that being said, I also started another business called ucreate.com. Basically on ucreate.com, you'll be able to find all the essentials that you need to create whatever you might imagine. So basically, everything that you'll need to create whatever you're imagining will be on ucreate.com. Me as a full-time creative, I know exactly what you creatives need. So that's why I started this new business venture called ucreate.com. And with that being said, I'm gonna show you guys the first product. So this is gonna be the first product on ucreate.com, which is this PVC composite print that I've been working on for a while now. And this is basically how you receive it. So this is how we print it out and send it out. Basically what this is, it's images of butterflies, right? So once you weed it out, which is very easy, it's way easier than stenciling, you receive this, which is a die cut image. So basically, say you want to use one butterfly, you just cut this out, stick it onto the shoe, hit it up, and it works exactly like a tattoo. It's gonna stay there forever. This is made out of the same composites that Nike, Adidas, all the major shoe brands. When they iron on things to the shoes, it's made out of the same composite. So it's meant to stay, and it's gonna be there forever. It's not gonna crack, it's totally flexible, and it's gonna move as you move. So I'm excited that this is the first product on ucreate.com, and I'm gonna show you guys how to use it. So let's get started on this project. And you guys, this is not something you could just print out of a printer. This is something that I spent a lot of money to manufacture. And as you can see, it's literally picture quality. So it's the best image quality you'll be able to get onto a shoe this easy. This is something that's kept secret in the industry, and I've cracked the code just for you guys. So let me show you guys how to use this. We're gonna grab our holographic film, and also guys, this will also be available at ucreate.com. I'm telling you guys, this is game changing. ucreate.com is gonna be your guys' safe haven for all you creators. So we have a holographic film there. So what we're gonna do first is do an overspray of the butterfly with the airbrush that's back here, and then we're gonna stick our images over that. So we'll need to grab a piece of paper, draw the butterfly image, cut it out, and then that's what we're gonna use for our overspray effect. Alright, so we got our stencil cut out. So basically we're just gonna we don't really want to let it flat. That's the reason I didn't do an actual stencil, because with this you do get like a pretty cool overspray effect. So we're just gonna go with like a neon green overspray and a blue. So we're gonna probably mix these a little bit so we get like a cool little neon color, and then that's what we use for the overspray.
Had to move out west to chase her back. Boy, you better not sleep.
Okay, so now we're gonna take this and dump it into this airbrush gun and get that going.
That's your ass. Met this spot, she got 100 tats. Yeah. Left on red and now she want it back. Wait, now she want it back. Yeah, now she want it back.
Alright, so we have the overspray effect done. I think I might have put too much on these two. I kind of like to look more on the first one. So we're gonna fix our mistakes on the right shoe. Okay, so this one came out a lot better. So now the next step would be to grab our images here and throw them on.
now she want it back. How about the brand new jack? Yeah, how about the brand new jack? Had to paint it black, wait, had to paint it black. All my niggas call me Dale, yeah, I'm so fast. And my new bitch in Brazil, yeah, she so bad. Born and raised in Rio, yeah, she straight from Rio. She in love with Bathing Nate, she in love with Nigo. She not in a fancy chain, she in love with me though. Cause she know I smoke it by the kilo. Had to move out west to chase that bag. Boy, you better not slip, oh, that's your ass. Yeah.
Okay, so now we're gonna grab our holographic film and throw it on this. Just look how amazing this looks already. So now we're just gonna grab a holographic film, like I said, and throw it on Nike check.
I heard that's the best way. I heard that's the best side. Had to move out west to chase a bag. Boy, you better not slip up, that's your ass. Met this bro, she got 100 tats. Yeah. Left on red and now she want it back.
Okay, now that we got this holographic vinyl on there, as you can see, it looks pretty trippy. We're gonna bring it over to the sewing machine and sew this down. Alright, there you guys have it. Thank you all for watching. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Like always, shop at BrahmaCustoms.com. Shop at our new website, ucreate.com, for all your custom needs, all your creative needs. You can find it there at ucreate.com. Be sure to like and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram, Brahma001. Follow my boy over here. Where'd he go? And follow my boy Vismars here, and then follow me at Brahma001. Until then, see you guys.